Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming your GPU and Windows build so you know what driver to get. Once done, restart Windows Explorer or reboot to clear transient issues. This often restores the panel quickly. Next, open Services, find Nvidia Display Container LS, set it to automatic, and start the service. This is essential because the control panel depends on that service running. Make sure you run services as administrator and keep this window open for the next steps. Now you address drivers. Open Device Manager, uninstall the display adapter, and check Delete Driver software for this device to remove leftovers. Once complete, download the correct GeForce Game Ready or Studio driver for your GPU and Windows version. Using the right package prevents compatibility errors. Run the Nvidia installer, choose Custom, and select Perform a clean installation. This replaces corrupted files and restores the control panel. After install, reboot so all services and registry entries reload properly. Finish by checking the actual control panel application. If it is missing, reinstall the Nvidia control panel from the Microsoft Store or rerun the installer and ensure it installs. Once it appears, open it and restore defaults to clear misconfigurations and verify settings. If problems persist, make sure antivirus didn't quarantine files, install pending Windows updates, and run sfc/scano, followed by dism to repair system files. This often fixes deeper issues, preventing the panel from launching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.